Hello friends, we have came with yet another video on public service commissions, and this video will be very much helpful for the civil engineering aspirants. This video comprises of the objective questions with solutions that were previously asked in the public service commissions. And if you are new to this channel, you can like, share and subscribe this video as well. So let us start the video. We shall move to the questions asked in the public service commissions. So the first question is, site order book is used for the recording of what? And our option is instruction by the executive engineer, and in option B, construction measurement. Option C is the issue of store equipment, and option D is the name of the casual labor. So this site order book is used for the recording that is given by the executive engineer, that is option 1. Likewise, we have question number 2, and the question is, the document announcing the prospective bidders that the owner is ready to receive the bid is called what? So we have option A as notice to bidder, so we have option B as instruction to bidder, option C as bill of quantities BOQ, and option D as intention to acceptance. So the correct answer of this question is notice to bidders, that is option A. Okay. Likewise, we shall move in the question number 3, and this question is, the purpose of bid evaluation is to determine what? The lowest price, or the responsive bid, or option C is substantially responsive bid, or option D is lowest evaluated substantially responsive bid. So friends, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is lowest evaluated substantially responsive bid. And we shall move in the question number 4. So this question number 4 comprises of a Gantt chart indicates what? It indicates whether it indicates option A as balance of work to be done, second is efficiency of the project work, third is comparison of progress with the scheduled progress, and fourth is the progress cost of the chart. So friends, a Gantt chart indicates the comparison of progress with the scheduled progress. So option C will be our correct answer. The question number 5 is, CPM requires what? So option 1, that is option A is single time estimate, option B is double time estimate, option C is triple time estimate, and option D is none of the above. So friends, the correct answer of this question is option number A, that is single time estimate. CPM is a deterministic model that does not take into account variation in the completion time. So only one number is used for an activity time estimate. So it is always a single time estimate. Now friends, the 6th question is, compaction test for concrete is done to determine what? Option A is consistency of the concrete, option B is workability of the concrete, option C is compressive strength of the concrete, and option D is tensile strength of the concrete. So this compaction test for concrete is done to determine the workability of the concrete, that is option B will be our correct answer. Question number 7 is, an aggregate that passes through 25 mm IS sieve and is retained on 20 mm IS sieve is said to be flaky if its least lateral dimension is less than option A 22.5 mm, option B is 18.5 mm, option C is 16.5 mm, and option D is 13.5 mm. Now friends, we shall So before finding out the correct answer of this question, first of all we need to know what is flaky aggregate. So flaky aggregate, an aggregate is said to be a flaky aggregate if its least lateral dimension is less than 0.6, that is 3/5 of the mean sheave size. So this statement tells us that we have to determine the mean sheave size. So since the aggregate is passing through 25 mm and is retained on 20 mm, so the mean of these two sizes, that is 25 and 20 mm, that comes out to be 22.5 mm, and we shall just multiply 22.5 mm with the definition, that is 3/5 of mean sheave size. 3/5 of mean sheave size, that is 0.6 into 22.5, and our answer will come out to be 13.5, that is option D. Okay, so we just calculate the mean sheave size and we just multiply the mean sheave size with the 3/5, that is 0.6. Question number 8. The quality of cement is tested by first compressive strength, option B is tensile strength, option C is bond strength, and option D is none of the above. So friends, the quality of the cement is tested by compressive strength, that is option A. Likewise, in question number 9, the basic water depends upon first option is quality of materials, option second is water cement ratio, option C is ratio of cement to sand, and option D is both of A and B. So friends, the correct answer of this question is ratio of cement to sand, option C. So option C will be the correct answer. Likewise, in question number 10, the sheave number used in the fineness modulus test of the cement is what? Option A is 1, option B is 5, option C is 7, and option D is 9. So friend, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 9. So according to IS standard, 90 micron sheave, that is sheave number size, is taken as the standard sheave. Question number 11 is the ultimate load of the balanced reinforced concrete section beam is proportional to what? So option A is crossing strength of concrete, option B is tensile strength of concrete, option C is tensile strength of steel, and option D is crossing strength of concrete and or tensile strength of steel. So friend, the ultimate load of a balanced reinforced concrete section beam is proportional to option number D, that is crossing strength of concrete and the tensile strength of the steel. Question number 12 is for the constant water cement ratio, if the aggregate to cement ratio is reduced, the workability is option A is increases, option B is decreases, option C is not affected, and option D is may increase or decrease. So friends, whenever the aggregate cement ratio is reduced, then the workability of the concrete mix will always increase. So option A will be our correct answer. This is because the low aggregate cement ratio is the rich mix that produces more paste, that helps the mix cohesive and gives better workability. The question number 13 is the grade of the concrete M150 means the compressive strength of concrete of 15 cm³ after 28 days is what? 100 kg per centimeter square, option B is 150 kg per centimeter square, option C is 200 kg per centimeter square, and option D is 250 kg per centimeter square. And friends, the correct answer is 150 kg per centimeter square, that is 15 Newton per mm square. So question number 14 is sand requiring a high water cement ratio belongs to option A zone first, option B zone second, option C zone third, and option D zone fourth. So the correct answer of this question is zone first, that is option A. Sand requiring a high water cement ratio belongs to zone first. Okay, so question number 15 is, after casting an ordinary cement concrete on drying, it expands. Option A, whether it, option B is mix, option C is shrinks, and option D is none of the above. So friends, after casting an ordinary cement concrete and on drying, it shrinks. So option C will be the correct answer. Now moving through question number 16. Slump test of concrete is a measure of its consistency, compressive strength, option C tensile strength, and option D impact value. So friends, the slump test of the concrete is the measure of its, option A, consistency. Now of question number 17. The cement concrete in which the high compressive stress are artificially induced before its use is called what? Option A is plain cement concrete PCC, option B is reinforced cement concrete RCC, option C is pre-stressed cement concrete, and option D is lime concrete. So friends, the cement concrete in which high compressive stresses are artificially induced before its use is called the pre-stressed cement concrete, option C. Now moving through question number 18. The minimum compressive strength of first class brick should be, option A is 5 Newton per mm square, option B is 7.5 Newton per mm square, option C is 9 Newton per mm square, and option D is 10 Newton per mm square. So the minimum compressive strength of the first class brick should be option D, that is 10 Newton per mm square. In some literatures you will also find 10.5 Newton per mm square in the first class brick and 7.5 in the second class brick. So whatever according to the options you need to tick out. Now let us move to question number 19. The test conducted in the laboratory on the specimen made out of a trial concrete mix is called, option A is preliminary test, option B is the slump test, option C is the walk test, option D is the none of the above. So friends, the test conducted in the laboratory on the specimen made of a trial concrete mix is called preliminary test. Okay, let us move to question number 20. Asphalt is the mixture of bitumen and inert mineral matter, option A, option B is bitumen and cement, option C is tar and asbestos, and option D is bitumen and asbestos. So friends, asphalt is a mixture of option A, bitumen and inert mineral matters. Okay, so let us move to question number 21. Age of the tree may be ascertained by, option A is radius of its stem, option B is circumference of its stem, or option C is number of branches, and option D is the number of annular rings. So friend, the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is number of the annular rings. So annular rings are the parameter for determining the age of the tree. Okay, so question number 22. The required number of bricks, that is size of 9 inch by 4.5 inch by 2.25 inch for 1 cubic meter of cement masonry work is, option A is 1000 number of bricks, option B is 875, option C is 560, and option D is 250. Okay, so friend, the required number of bricks for 1 cubic meter of cement masonry work is always 560, option C. So this is the required number of bricks for 1 cubic meter of masonry work. So 9 by 4.5 by 2.25 inches can be also written as 230 mm or by 115 mm by 57 mm, that is Nepal standard of bricks. And friends, Nepal standard says that per cubic meter of the hand-made masonry bricks as 560 numbers, and if it is machine made we will take 530. Okay, this thing should be remembered. Now let us move to question number 23. DPC is generally applied at, so option A is roof level, option B is plinth level, option C is lintel level, and option D is the seal level. So friend, DPC, that is dam proof course, is always applied at the option B, that is plinth level, isn't it? This helps to reduce the moisture that is penetrating through the DPC, that is ground level. It reduces the moisture that is traveling to the ground level. Now question number 24. Soil is considered as option A single phase system, option B is two phase system, option C is three phase system, and option D is none of the above. So soil is always considered as the combination of three phase system, that is solid phase, water phase, and the air phase. Let us move to question number 25. The workability of the concrete mix depends upon, first is proportion of concrete, option B is amount of reinforcement, option C is size and shape of the formwork, and option D is all of the above. So friends, the workability of the concrete mix depends upon option A, that is proportion of the concrete. Question number 26. The final setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be more than, so option A 5 hours, option B 7.5 hours, option C 10 hours, and option D 12.5 hours. So the final setting time of ordinary Portland cement should not be more than option C, that is 10 hours. Okay, the initial setting time of OPC is 30 minutes and the final setting time should not be extending over 10 hours. Question number 27. The presence of sand in bricks prevent what? First option is cracking of bricks, option C is shrinkage of bricks, option C is warping of bricks, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is warping of bricks. So in some literatures you may also find that the three above answers will be correct, that is cracking of bricks, shrinkage of bricks, warping of bricks. These are the facilities that are provided by the sand. So in some of the literatures you may also only find the warping. So I have taken the option C as the correct ones. Now let us move into question number 28. Most of the stone possesses the specific gravity in the range of what? Option A is 1 to 1.5, option B as 1.5 to 2, option C as 2.4 to 2.9, and option D as 3 to 4. So friends, most of the stone possesses the specific gravity in the range of 2.4 to 2.9. So option C will be our correct answer, that is 2.4 to 2.9. Let us move in question number 29. So distemper paints means, what are the distemper paints? And option is water paint A, option B is oil paint, option C is cement paint, and option D is enamel paint. So friends, distemper paint means option A, that is water paint, will be our correct answer. So it is an oddly form of whitewash made of water, chalk, and pigment, and is often bound with animal based glue like egg or the adhesive quantities of casein, a resin that comes from solidified milk. So question number 30 states that a small quantity of magnesia in brick or imparts. So our option A is red tint to bricks, option B is yellow tint to bricks, option C is black tint to bricks, and option D is none of the above. So friends, a small quantity of magnesia in brick imparts option B, that is yellow tint to bricks. Let us move to question number 31. The Smith test of stone is performed to find out Option A is the presence of soluble materials. Option B is the tensile strength. The option C is the presence of the lime, and option D is none of the above. So friend, the Smith test of stone is performed for finding out option A, that is the presence of the soluble materials. Let us move to question number 32. Choose the correct statement. Confined aquifer is at upper level and unconfined aquifer is at lower level under the ground, option A. And option B is confined is temporary and unconfined is permanent under the ground. Option C is confined is saturated and confined is unsaturated and confined is saturated under the ground. And option D is confined aquifer is at lower level and unconfined is at upper level under the ground. So friends, the correct statement is option D, that is confined aquifer is at lower level and the unconfined aquifer is at upper level under the ground. So option D will be our correct answer. Confined aquifer is at lower level and unconfined is at upper level under the ground. Now let us move to question number 33. If W is the uniformly distributed load on the circular slab of radius r fixed at its end, then maximum positive radial moment at its center is what? Option A is 3Wr square by 16, option B is 2Wr square by 16, option C is Wr square by 16, and option D is 0. So friend, the correct answer of this question is Wr square by 16. Question number 34 is the most economical design of singly reinforced beam is given by what? Option A is limit state theory, option B is working stress theory, option C is ultimate stress theory, and option D is all of the above. So the most economical design of the singly reinforced beam is given by limit state theory, that is option A. Now let us move to question number 35. The lap splices in tension reinforcement are permitted for bars. Option A is larger than 36 mm, option B is less than 36 mm, option C is less than 25 mm, and option D is all the diameter of bar. So friend, these lap splices in tension reinforcement are permitted for bars less than 36 mm. So option B will be the correct answer. So let us move to the question number 36. The minimum number of longitudinal steel bars in circular columns must be what? Option A is 2, option B is 4, option C is 6, and option D is 8. So friends, the minimum number of longitudinal steel bars in circular columns must be 6. Option C will be our correct answer. Let us move to question number 37. The tensile test is carried on what materials? So option A is ductile materials, option B is brittle materials, option C is malleable materials, option D is plastic materials. So friend, the tensile test is carried on ductile material, that is option A will be the correct answer. Let us move to question number 38. In pre-stressed concrete structures, the prestressing of the concrete is done to compensate the stress caused by option A is dead loads, option B is walking loads, option C is live loads, and option D is the dynamic loading. So in pre-stressed concrete structure, the prestressing of concrete is done to compensate the stress caused by the walking loads, that is option B. In question number 39, plain cement concrete is strong enough in the following case. Option A is to bear compression load, to bear tension load in option B, and option C is to bear shearing load, and in option D to bear torsion load. So friends, plain cement concrete is strong enough in bearing the compressive load. Okay. Let us move to question number 40. The 7 days compressive strength of a good Portland cement as obtained from the compressive test of the cement mortar should not be less than Option A 125 kg per centimeter square, option B 150 kg per centimeter square, option C is 175 kg per centimeter square, and option D is 200 kg per centimeter square. So friends, the 7 days compressive strength of the good Portland cement obtained from the compressive test of the cements and mortar should not be less than 175 kg per centimeter square. The compressive strength of a cement at the end of the 3 days should not be less than 115 kg per centimeter square, that is 11.5 Newton per mm square, and at the end of the 7 days should not be less than 17.50 Newton per millimeter square or 175 kg per centimeter square. Question number 41. The shape of the bending moment diagram over the length if the beam carrying uniformly distributed load is always option A is linear, option B is parabola, option C is cubical shape, and option D is the circular shape. So friends, we have to know that for the uniformly distributed load, the bending moment diagram is always parabolic. Option B will be the right answer, and for the uvial, if uvial, then it will be cubic. Question number 42. So choose the correct statement. Option number A is strain is the response of a system to an applied stress. Option B is stress is the response of a system to applied strain. Option C is stress is stronger than strain, and option D is stress and strain are both same. So friend, the correct statement is option A, that is strain is the response of a system to the applied stress. So whenever you apply stress, then a certain deformation in the body exists. So strain is the response of the system for applied stress. Question number 43. In general co-planar force system, the number of unknown forces that can be found out by principles is option 1 as option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, option D is 4. So friend, the correct answer is 2. The number of unknown forces that can be found out by principles in general co-planar force system is always 2. Question number 44. A beam is option A one-dimensional structure, option B is two-dimensional structure, option C is three-dimensional structure, and option D is none of the above. So friend, one-dimensional structure is that structure having one dimension that is very greater than the remaining two dimensions, and two-dimensional structure is that structure having two dimensions greater than the third dimension, and three-dimensional structure is that structure having three dimensions comparable to each other. So a beam is always a one-dimensional structure. Option A will be the correct answer. Question number 45. In RCC structure, the most appropriate overlapping length of the reinforcement bar is option A 1.5 meter, option B 3 meters, option C 50 to 60 times the diameter of the reinforcement bar, and option D is 2 to 4 times the diameter of the reinforcement bar. So friend, in RCC structure, the most appropriate overlapping length of the reinforcement bar is 50 to 60 times the diameter of the reinforcement bar. That is option C will be the correct answer. So let us move to question number 46. The bending moment in a beam will be maximum where the shear force is uniform. Option B is shear force is maximum, option C is shear force is minimum, and option D is the shear force is 0. So friend, the bending moment in a beam will be maximum where the shear force is 0. Option D. So question number 47. The percentage elongation of a member from a direct tensile test indicates ductility. Option B elasticity, option C yield stress, option D is ultimate stress. So friend, the percentage elongation of a material from a direct tensile test indicates ductility. Question number 48. The percentage reduction in area of member from a direct tensile test indicates option A ductility, option B elasticity, option C malleability, option D brittleness. So friends, the percentage reduction in area of a member from a direct tensile test indicates option A, that is. Now friends, question number 49. National Building Code Nepal 2060 is prepared in option A is 15 volumes, option B is 23 volumes, option C is 35 volumes, and option D is 50 volumes. So the correct answer of National Building Code Nepal 2060 is prepared in option B, that is 23 volumes. Moving on, question number 50. Nepal Engineering Council is an autonomous body formed under Act in 2054, option A, 2060, option B, option C is 2055, and option D is 2065. So the correct answer of Nepal Engineering Council is an autonomous body formed under Act in 2055. So friends, if you find this video as useful, you can like and share to your friends. And for such videos, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you. We will meet soon in another video.